Eyes on your worksheet, Kael. Next pila. 20, 20. Pia. Next. Ano masyado po pia? 21, 20. Continue. Next. Next. Not. 20. Or trace your name, Kael. 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 Trace your name. 22, 20. Alright, 23. Next. Say properly. 23, 20. Right. Wait, 24. Wait properly. Small lang. Okay, how about this one? Yun na, 24, 20, 23, 20. 24. Writing. Ay, hindi bang ganyan magsulat ng 4? Do it again daw. Mas maganda. Panitia. Ayusin. Okay, 24, 20. Very good. Okay, I will wait lang, Kael. Let's write time, Kael. Okay, wait. Oh, it's 1 already. Then start. Draw a line. Okay, next. 25, 20. Opo, maayos. Hindi man ganyan mag-answer. Dapat ang paa na sa baba. Write 26. 26, 20. What's next to 26? Very good. Right? 27. Go, Kael. Next. Right, 27. Pia, ayusin. Pia, ayusin. Next, 27, 20. 20. Wait properly. Kael, next Kael. Don't forget to underline the instruction. Next, 28, 20. Right, 29. Sit down. Ito maayos, Pia. Yeah. Go. Next na 28 is... Alright. Draw a line to connect. Slowly, Kael. Lift ang elbow. Next, Kael. Yan, allowed mag-write the table. Okay, what number is it? 28.
Tapos sa teacher.
Here we go, Pia. Next page, Pia. Go, go, go. Okay, draw a line. So connect. Kael, eyes on your worksheet, please. Okay. You lift your elbow. Kael. Okay, next. Get one. So, Kael.
I am very good also.
Opo.
I am very good. Like Nanay and Mama. They are very good.
Go, 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 Kael.
Skip? Ito sa din. Bakit ako hindi? Alin na, skip.
Good job, Kael. Good job, Kael. Go, Kael. You're almost done. Draw a line to connect the donuts. Para ganda masyado. Ganon. Pag-i-record naman ang tila na yan. Yes. 24, 20. Very good. Kael, draw a line to connect the ice cream. Good job. Go, go, go. 23, 20. Mahulog sa tila. Sa chapter nila. Mahulog ka. 23, 20. Kael. Go, Kael. Next week. Very good. 26, 20. Right, 57. Kael, do not forget to underline the instruction, Kael. So here, Pia. Underline the instruction. Kael, next Kael. 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 Oh, careful. Fold it. Next, 20, 20, 22, 20. Upo lang. Sige na. Upo lang ba? Try 20. Okay, next. Upo lang. Sabi ko, pa. 24, 20. Quiet. Go, 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 go. Kael, eyes on your worksheet. Raven. Okay. Next. Hindi mo ikaw siya. Go na, 26, 20. Malapit na tayo. 26, 20. Kael. Opo, padali. Kael. Kael. Next na. Draw a line. Okay, start here, Kael. Kael. Go, 26, 20. Right, 27. Next. 28, 20. Oh, Kael. Yes, Kael. Here. Draw a line to connect the sunflowers. it again, okay? Let's do it again. Make sure to hit all the blue dots. Okay? Opo. Draw a line, Kael. Okay. Go. 25, 20. Kael, draw a line to connect the watermelons.